day, everyone. This is our project named Translingo 2.0 for mobile programming subject. I'm John Lawrence Reyes together with my project partner, Joseph Kyle Lapitan. We are IT students from Letran, Calamba. Translingo 2.0 is a mobile application that helps users translate questions into multiple languages while providing pronunciation and clear explanation in English. Powered by Gemini AI, it's designed for learning clarity and cross-cultural communication. Our main objective is to help users understand and communicate effectively in different languages, especially when learning or teaching. By combining translation, pronunciation, guidance, and simplified explanations, Translingo 2.0 aims to bridge language barriers using AI. Problem: many language learners and non-native speakers struggle to ask questions or understand answers due to translation errors, lack of context, or poor pronunciation help. Traditional translators often fail to teach why something is said the way it is. So our key beneficiaries are language learners and students, teachers and tutors, tourists, travelers, and remote workers.
So this is for our code explanation. First, we use the activity main because it is built to the layout of the app. It includes the language selector, spinner, and text input, box and a send button, and text views. And for the main logic resides in the main activity Java. who- When the user inputs a question and tap sends the app. And we put our API key in the strings.xml. And the app requires to run the app, it requires internet permission in the Android manifest. So here's the live demonstration of our project. So it's translated to Japanese. So the most common polite way to say how are you in Japanese is "Oh genki desu ka." So so let's try another language. So it translates into Italian. And how was your day in Italian is come è andata la tua giornata. So that's it for project demonstration, and that's all. Thank you.